Welcome to MindFlows. Today, we will go over the all-new Monday.com look and its fresh and modern look to make your work life even more productive and enjoyable. Let's dive in. As soon as you log in, you'll notice the sleek and intuitive design with every detail that is refined to enhance your user experience. The homepage and My Work are nested at the top left of your screen, and the favorite section can be found within the Workspace drop-down menu. Say goodbye to cluttered screens and hello to a clean, organized workspace that's a joy to navigate. The new Monday.com is all about efficiency. By closing the navigation bar, you can effortlessly access your tasks, projects, and team communications all in one place to a much bigger space for your boards than ever before. The redesigned layout empowers you to focus on what matters most, with the information you need right at your fingertips. Managing notifications has never been easier. With the revamped look, you can directly access all notifications and your inbox right at the top. This is also where you invite members, search apps from the marketplace, search everything from your account, and access all guide videos about Monday.com. Every team has unique needs, and Monday.com AI Assistant is an intelligent and intuitive feature is an aid to those needs. Powered by artificial intelligence, the AI Assistant brings a new level of automation and efficiency to your daily tasks and project management. Some of its key features and benefits is the ability to generate smart task creations, build formula, provide relevant actions items, and summarize complex topics for you to help you save time and effort. And the best part, Monday.com isn't limited to your desktop. Take your work wherever you go with our mobile app. Stay connected, collaborate on the move, and never miss a thing. Your projects are just a tap away, anytime, anywhere. Are you ready to experience the power of the new Monday.com? Sign up today and unlock a world of possibilities for your team. Revolutionize your workflow and achieve new levels of productivity with our fresh, modern look. Follow us for more Monday.com tips. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.